Will investigate all aspects of this case. They will lead the investigation. The Mumbai police has to assist with any information, transfer all materials to the CBI. Poulomi, correct me if I'm wrong, the CBI investigates, nobody else does, and all material evidence collected so far has to be handed over to the CBI. Am I right?
Absolutely, Shiv. The CBI has now completely taken over the case. In fact, CBI sources have already spoken and reacted to, my colleague Manish Pandey, who's tracking the Central Bureau of Investigation. And they say that, of course, they will have to go through the detailed order copy when it is out. But it is quite a clear-cut order. And they will, of course, now be proceeding. The CBI SIT team will be proceeding to Mumbai to investigate this case. And it appears, they say, that the Supreme Court has ordered that the Maharashtra police will have to assist in the probe, and the CBI will, of course, now ask for the case details, the case diaries, the crime scene photographs, as well as the autopsy report as well. These are the basic pieces of evidences that the Maharashtra police, the Mumbai police specifically, will have to hand over to the CBI so it can proceed with the investigation. And then, of course, it will start the summoning of witnesses in this case as well. Already, the Enforcement Directorate, another central agency, is looking into allegations of siphoning of money from Sushant Singh Rajput's bank accounts, which has been, alleged by the family. They're looking into it. They have called several witnesses, including Rhea Chakraborty and her family members, including her father, her mother, her brother, and of course those who were handling the financials of Sushant Singh Rajput and Rhea Chakraborty as well, including Shruti Modi. Everyone has been interrogated, but the ED is saying that they're not very satisfied with the responses that they've received. So they will, of course, now that there is clarity in the case as to who exactly has jurisdiction in this matter, they will, of course, continue to summon these witnesses, possibly again, in order to get to the bottom of this alleged financial bungling as far as Sushant Singh Rajput and his finances were concerned. So that is what the Enforcement Directorate will continue to look at, and the CBI, which has already registered an FIR against Rhea Chakraborty and others, will investigate that as well. So Rhea Chakraborty now will have to appear before the CBI as well. So this is as far as the jurisdiction of the matter is concerned. Now it's absolutely clear who is investigating this case, and the Maharashtra government and the police of Mumbai will have to assist the CBI, because the court has categorically said no, the Bihar government was not wrong in transferring the probe to the CBI. Look at the judgment. It is absolutely clear. We've gone into every issue possible threadbare.
Yeah, there's no question of mincing any words now, Poulomi, as well. This is a massive setback to the Uddhav Thackeray government as well as the Mumbai police. This is an incident that happened in Mumbai, and now the country's top court of the land has now ordered a central government agency to take over this case because no faith has been shown in the investigation of the Mumbai police. The war of words, all the tu-tu me-me, the tug of war between Bihar and Maharashtra, all takes a backseat now. It will be the CBI that investigates. All material evidence and investigative materials will be handed over, with the Supreme Court saying the Maharashtra police will now have to assist in the probe. The Maharashtra police, the Mumbai police, which had been conducting the probe, now takes a secondary role and will have to play assistant to the CBI. So it's a huge humiliation as well for the Mumbai police in what has also had an element of an ego turf war between the Mumbai police, the CBI and the Patna police. The CBI will ask for details, case diaries, crime scene photographs, autopsy reports. All pieces of paper and material evidence that have been taken by the Mumbai police will now have to be duly handed over under this court order to the CBI. And remember, this is a court-ordered investigation. So a CBI special investigation team is now all set to go to Mumbai to box up all that material and take it over as part of this investigation in Mumbai. The CBI, remember, is a central government organization and it has offices all over India. So it's not like they conduct the investigation in Delhi. Obviously, they will be conducting the investigation in Mumbai, and the Mumbai police has to assist. The sisters of Sushant Singh Rajput have reacted. His former girlfriend Ankita Lokhande has also welcomed the verdict, saying it's the first step of justice. You've had his sister Shweta Kirti also tweeting, saying finally CBI for SSR. That hashtag also trending. Rhea Chakraborty and a lawyer are expected to speak in a short while from now.